I guess there need be no explanation as to why I'm here. Because, yep, this happened. My buddy called me, said that his Langstroth horizontal hive was leaning a little bit, and he was afraid it was going to fall, and that it did. So, stick along for the ride. We're going to rehome these bees. When this collapsed, my buddy thought it might be a good idea to put another box out here, which he did. He just put a regular 10 frame out, and you can see there's a little bit of activity at the front door. So first plan of action is to open this up and investigate. I don't think there's anything really going on inside of it, and if not, we're going to try to move this colony into this box. And we do have another box. It seems that there's enough bees here that we might be able to do a 2 hives out of and do a split. So let's go ahead and open this one up and see what we got. We'll smoke at the front. Wow, all right. Sorry, bees. I'm gonna do one-handed. Okay, so got a good amount of bees in here. All right, it looks like we've got one colony. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and start looking for a queen. All right, so it looks like we have 2 frames of bees. I'm gonna take a look at this, see if we've got a queen in here. Got some nectar in there, so they've been working a little bit. It's like they're framing it out and working here. Keep moving on. All right, we have a queen here. So this queen either came from over here, or this is it's got its own colony. So it's got a queen for sure. I think we're going to move to this other box here and see what we got going on. If that's got a queen, then we know we have 2 separate colonies. I'm going to put them back like I found them. Crush the hive beetle, the 2. So that's what we got going on in this box. We've got a colony with a queen. So we're gonna move on to horizontal Langstroth hive. All right, so here's our new setup. I've got Langstroth hives. The one on the right is the colony that has a queen that we've already gone through, and then down here we've got the top bar. This is the one that collapsed, and we're going to be transferring to this other box right here. we have been successful. We have found the queen within the old top bar. She is currently candy caged up in this 10 frame Langstrom hive here. And now we're watching the bees march in. Here the bees are exhibiting their fanning behavior because the queen's in the box. They're trying to let everybody else know that she's in here, and they're all slowly marching from the old top bar hive to their new 10 frame Langstrom.